welcome back on my channel. Pinay here from travelbook TV, and for today's video, we are going to do another makeup tutorial. So today we are going to do a minimal makeup looks just to get ready with me with all of you guys out there. But first, let's just subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell below so you get updated on my latest uploads. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So, to prep our face, I am going to use my Dickinson's Witch Hazel Toner. So, I always use this because it is one of the product that I really like for my acne. Because as you can see, I do have a lot of acne marks, acne and everything. I know everyone is just bashing me about this kind of situation, but I promise you guys, I am taking care of my face. But it's just. So we are going to use this toner on our face today. So for our primer, we are going to use this UV Gel Watery Gel Cream. So we are going to use it as our primer today to prep our skin with putting a lot of foundation, a lot of makeup. If you haven't saw my Daiso vlog, I'm going to link it down below, or you can click it here, or here. I don't know, but just click somewhere else in this video. Do I look pretty in front of you guys right now? Because if it is, just comment down below. We are going to apply it all over our face. So we're done with our primer. And for the next one is our foundation. So I wanted to have a full coverage foundation right now because of my acne. I wanted to cover all of it, and I have two foundation that really good, and I don't have the perfect foundation right now because of my skin. I am going to use the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Makeup on the shade W3 Nude Beige. So this is a full coverage foundation, but it was so light to me. That's why we're going to apply it first. Then we are going to tone it down with my Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation from Maybelline. So if you haven't tried this one, this is one of my favorite. If you haven't watched my video testing this one, I'm going to link it down below, or you just click it here. And this is one of my favorite, as you can see on my past videos. I always use this one because it's one of the full coverage and super affordable foundation on drugstore. We are going to mix these two and put it all over our face. So the downside of the L'Oreal True Match, it doesn't include, or it doesn't have a pump, which is very good if you have a foundation with a pump, because you can really manipulate how much foundation that you're going to put on your face. But since this is one of the best foundation, we're just going to understand L'Oreal about their packaging. But we're going to use it now. I'm just going to put it on the back of my hand. So this is the amount of foundation that I'm going to use, and I'm going to use this sponge. As you can see right now, my face is really white because of the foundation. It didn't match on my skin tone, but we are going to tone it down with Maybelline Superstay foundation to give more coverage as well. So we're going to use that. Where is that? This one. So this is the product that I got, and we're just going to apply it all over our face. As you can see, it really gives that coverage and it really tones down that white moment in our face. So for the next one, we are going to do our eyebrows. But I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera because it's really complicated. You can do your eyebrows on your own. And I hope it's not like complicated than mine, because mine is really bushy right now. I haven't and fixed this brows, but I'm going to do my eyebrows first, and you can do your own on off the camera. So let's go. So we're done with our eyebrow. It's not perfect, so am I, so I can't perfect my brows so well, but I hope you do like that because we don't have that perfect eyebrows as well. So the next thing we're going to do is our eyeshadow. So if you haven't know, I like to put my eyeshadow after my base foundation. If you have your own tactics, like you put your eyeshadow first before foundation, that's yours. But me, I really do like to put my foundation first before I put my eyeshadow. We can clean it up after. So if we have fallouts on under eyes, we can conceal that and we can clean those mistakes up. So chop, we're going to do our eyes. Let's go. So for our eyeshadow, we are going to use this palette. This palette is from Forever 21, and the shade that we're going to use is the yellow eyeshadow that we have here. So for our crease, we are going to use this Dream Street palette. If you haven't seen my Dream Street palette tutorial, I'm going to link it down below, or you just click it here. First, let's go with this shade, Potion, and just go all over here. And then we're going to use Spark, the very pink shade of this palette. I have decided to do a halo eye because I haven't done that. I wanted to try that if I can do it. I hope I can do it today, but let's see. Let's really see if we can do a halo eye. So we're going to create a halo eye today. So I'm going to crack this lid to create that halo eye. So we're going to finish the eyes, this eye first, so you can see the difference between the two. So we're going to use the Spark shade and then just focus it on the inner corner. We're going to use the kaleidoscope on our lid. So we are done with our eyes. I already put my eyeliner on, but we're going to use this elfish just to darken up the outer corner. We're going to use this mascara on our lashes first before we put our lashes on. I am going to put my lashes on and I'll be right back. So we're done with our eyelashes. As you can see, we're going to finish our eyes. So we're just going to use the same eyeshadow that we put earlier in our eyelid. So let's just start with Potion and for the inner corner, we're going to use the Sweet Dreams. We are going to use this powder and we're going to apply it all over our face. Just to set those cream that we put earlier. The next one, we are going to contour our face. So and for our blush on, we are going to use this BH Cosmetics blush palette. So this is so amazing because it has a lot of shades, and we are going to use this shimmer blush and we're going to mix it with this and this. Just focus it on the top part. And for our lips, we are going to use this Everbelena Skinny Dip Liquid Lipstick. And a lip gloss just to give some shimmer. So I forgot to put my highlighter, so we're going to put a highlight today. I'm just going to use this shade from Dream Street palette and this shade.
Solid summer night sky got me feeling high. Your love is like a remedy, your body feeling right. Missing lips I've never kissed. I just
Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I really hope you love this look. If you love it, please hit the like button below, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell below so you get updated on my latest uploads. So I have my Instagram, Rose Banzon. Please follow me there. I have a lot of photos to share it to all of you. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye!
and I know she'll be there for me.
least we'll both be numb. And she'll always get the best of me, the worst is yet to come. But at least we'll both be beautiful and stay forever young. This I know, this I know. She told me don't worry